Water business is the most lucrative business in Africa these days. Why? Because everyone wanna drink clean water. So today we're going to show you how you can start your own water factory, and this is for a very mini water factory in Africa. So we're going to explain all the steps, and if you wanna make an order, you can contact the WhatsApp number that we're giving to you in this video. So we'll start with this machine. The first machine is the machine that cleans the water. It's called RO plant. So the RO plant will clean the water. So we have two systems that we use to clean our water. We have the ozone system that will clean the water, as you can see on the screen, and this system is automatic system. So the water is properly cleaned, and you can order this machine today and start your own water business. And the second cleaning system is on the second tank, and this does the removing all the material, the our material, then cleaning the water and keeping the water properly cleaned before you can start filling the water. So this is our plant, and this our plant will help to clean all the water. So your water source can be from a river or from a lake or from anywhere. So this system are robust and they can clean the water properly, because as you can see we have different type of filter, and this is the filter that will filter the water before the water can go to the tank. So we like to go to the next step. After cleaning the water with the machine, as you can see, the machine is very sophisticated, and we have like we said, 3 technology of water cleaning. As you can see on the screen, we will clean your water and make sure that the screen that you see here will tell you the level of pH, the level of turbidity, and the level of all the mineral that you have in the water. So as you can see, this screen is very big, and you can read all the level of material that you have in your tank water. And this is a very good system, because for people who want to start a water factory, so this is how you can maintain your RO plant, because we want to show you how to maintain the RO plant. You can open it on the left, so that water can flow, and you can remove like the guy is showing here, because we want people who's going to buy this machine to be able to maintain the RO factory as well. So the RO plant, this is how you maintain. So those valve is the valve that close the water from the RO plant, from your river or from your source of water. So in order for you to maintain because you need to maintain the RO plant, because the RO plant is like the heart of your system, so you need to be clean every time. So we always advise to maintain it like maybe every 2 months. You have like at least one maintenance. So we are going to show you how to maintain. Like here, the maintenance that you do is you need to change the filters. The filters need to be changed. As you can see, the guy is removing that easily you can do it. You don't even need to be a technician to remove that filters. So that filter will have to be removed, and you put in your filter, and you close, and you return it in place. So it's very easy with this small water factory. So this is the best small water factory that you can start today in Africa or everywhere you are in the world, just with a small amount of money. Stay till the end. I'll tell you the price of the whole system that you see. So this is how you change the filter. So that was the first filter that was changed. Then you need to change the membrane as well, because the membrane is the system that remove all the hard material, hard part in the water. So that system also need to be changed. You need to turn that in order for you to close the water valve first before you can remove the membrane. So we also advise to change the membrane every 3 months. So the membrane is very important to the system, because the membrane is the one that help clean the water very well. So as you can see, I'll show you, my technician will be there and try to change the membrane of your RO plant. As I was saying, changing it, you just have to rotate, and you pull out all the part that is close to the membrane, and you turn on the left, on the right, and you can push the membrane out. So this is how to install the membrane. So this is very important. Like when you buy our system or our water factory, the mini water factory system, you can do the maintenance yourself. You don't even need to hire people to hire a technician. Like for example, for the big water factory that I always show you on this channel, for that one you will need a technician to come and drive or to fly to your country and come and install it. But with this small water factory, the mini water factory, you can do it yourself with your technician back home. As you can just watch this video, we'll show you how to change the membrane. As you can see, the technician is doing the change. Very easily apply and applicable to anyone who want to start a most profitable business right now in the world, selling water bottle or selling water, mineral water. So this is how you do your membrane. So the first part of the system is the arrow plant. So it's a reverse osmosis system or technology that we use in order for you to produce a very good water quality. So we want you to contact the WhatsApp number that you're seeing on the screen if you want to buy a system, a mini water plant. Stay till the end. I will give you the price of how much can you buy this water plant and start your own water factory. So this water factory, as we said, we have about 4 steps. So the first steps, as we are talking about, is the arrow plant, where your system or your water is cleaned. We said we have about 3 cleaning system, cleaning part. So you can see how we clean. Also, you need to clean the tank. Very important, because everything goes to the tank. The water that you take from your source, it's coming from the tank. So you need to make sure you clean very well that water from the water from the tank, and make sure that you produce a very good quality water, so that people can drink a very good water, and make sure that people enjoy what they drink. If you want more on this topic, so the last step for this mini water factory, it's putting water into your plastic bag and making sure that everything is correct, and you can go and start selling. So for this system, as I said, the price is about $5,000 US. So if you have $5,000 US, you can buy the complete plant. So as you can see, this packaging machine, it's connected to the arrow plant. So the packaging machine is taking water that is already cleaned by the arrow plant, and it's putting it to the plastic bag. So this is the packaging machine for the plastic bag of water. So as you don't have a lot of capital to do bottles, you can do plastic, and you can make a lot of money. As you can see, these people, they came to buy the machine to produce the mini water factory. You can make a lot of money with the mini water factory today in Africa or everywhere in the world. In Africa, the demand of water is like too high. So if you're looking for a business to start in Africa, go call us and produce the mini water factory in Africa, and put like pure and mineral water in the plastic bag, and packaging it so well, and then go start selling it from the arrow plant. We will treat your water very good. Your water will have very good quality, and take this packaging machine, you can package your water into the plastic bag and start selling the water and make a lot of money in your country in Africa. So if you like this video, share the video and comment and ask us any question. We'll be able to help you. Thank you, and have a good day.